you can buy Shinja, Shibnobi, right on ProBit. And when I go look at the website, you can buy Shibnobi and Shinja in a lot of different locations now. Uniswap, Bitmart, VegX, Hotbit, L-Bank, and now ProBit. Right on this channel, we show you how to do it on all these locations. But on ProBit, let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. New listing, Shibnobi, Shinja, right on ProBit. Let's get it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now on ProBit, it works a different way, a little bit different way. So when I go back right here, I need to look for, of course, a trading pair of USDT and Shinja. Now it doesn't say it right here on the listing page, but when I go to right here, it does say it. So if I click on exchange, I will get to an area where I start buying Shibnobi. You see a chart, you see a graph, an area that you can buy Shibnobi. Now the first thing you want to do at the top here, type in Shinja. So let's go ahead and find this out. Type in Shinja at the top left, and then from here, it looks like we need to have USDT to be able to buy this. Shinja USD is going to be the trading pair. Okay, so the thing I need to have, or what you need to have money into USDT. So let's go back to the home page that we were at, and we're going to go to wallet and deposit, right? So now this works a little bit different from L-Bank and Hotbit and even some of the other areas. Is because you need to transfer USDT funds to ProBit. So here's how it works. You go to USDT Tether, and then from here, make sure you select ERC20, and then you copy this address. So you need to have this address. Now in this example, I'm going to use Coinbase for the actually transition, but I can show you how it's done. This is Coinbase.com, and don't worry, right below this video, I have the link for Coinbase and also ProBit, but you can start buying it right now. Now I'm at Tether USDT on Coinbase, and how I got to here, let me go back over, click on Coinbase. Okay, this is an example. I'm going to use $2, and you can buy USDT. So you can go ahead and go here, and you can type it in right over here, right there. You can buy it right here, okay? When you're done buying it, you go to send, select, and then that's what the address you will put it. So if I go here, copy this, boom, boom, that's here, paste it right there, continue, and that's what happens. So it says the minimum you can send is $13. So I need to go ahead and add just a little bit more to this. So let me go here and USDT, all right. And let me go, I'm gonna do $15, preview this. So I'm gonna buy Tether on Coinbase. Buy now. It's taken out of my bank account. It's connected to Coinbase.com. I like Coinbase because it's just easier to go ahead and do. And you can do this right on your mobile device. So now that $15 now, let's refresh the page. And then let's click on send, and we're looking for Tether USDT. Let's send it all. Let's send it all. Let's send it all. And that's the address. Make sure that's right. That's it there. ERC20 based Tether USDT. Absolutely. Make sure that's make sure that's selected. Continue. And then from here, it's going to say, hey, pay with this, pay with that. I'll send now. And here's the verification code that shows up. Let me go ahead and do this. Let me go there, the verification code. You'll get this on your phone. When you're signing up for your Coinbase account, you should be able to see this. So 249. And you can't see this, by the way. But it's basically, I had this, blurred out for verification purposes. And up. So then once that's sent there, this will be added up right there. And then from there, once this hit there, you will go to exchange. Okay, you click on exchange. And then from here, I'll go to Shinja, Shibnobi. Right there. Click that, select that. And then from here, that USDT, I can select there. And then the amount of Shinja, I will go ahead and click on buy based off how much I have in terms of USDT. I can go ahead and buy that. And then from there, it will go right into my actually wallet information of ProBit. Now, how you sell it, the same exact way. You will sell it, the amount of Shinja that you have. This will fill this up. You click on sale, or you can check on any of these areas here if you want to do 25% up to 100%. Same thing with buy. It's very simple and very easy. So, and that's how it's done. The only difference is you just have to send over funds over. So you send over funds over there from Coinbase.com. That's just an example. You send it here, and then you swap it USDT for Shinja, and you should be good to go. Then you click on wallet, and then you should be able to see your information in your wallet information. You should see it right there. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. If you have any questions, definitely put it on in the comment line. You can click on the support here and click on frequently asked questions, or contact us. So you can contact the ProBit team by clicking here. This is going to be some frequently asked questions, and you can basically, email, or you can talk with them, or find out exactly, submit a request. You can submit a request, and this will be sent to them, and they'll get back to you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.